Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here with, guess what time it is? It is, so you want to know what this is? It is Estee Lauder gift with purchase. So I haven't done one of these in a while, but I usually do them once or twice a year. I like to get these when they come out because they always come in a really nice bag. And I always buy the foundation anyway. So usually it's about twice a year that I'll get the foundation and then get my free prize. So anyway, let's just get in here and we'll see what we got going here. So. Okay, friends, I would like to, first of all, thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support, and you can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And so here we go. Here's the bag. Here's the free gift in here, and I'll show you what I bought first. The first thing is just my Estee Lauder. I like the full coverage. I use other foundations here and there, but usually when I'm going out or whatever, I really like to use this double wear. This is the maximum cover camouflage makeup for face and body. It's broad spectrum SPF 15. And I get it in 2C5 creamy tan. So this is I'm kind of a light medium, cool toned. So I really like this. It's perfect on my skin. So I did purchase that. So that's the first thing I purchased. And then the next thing, I got two more things that interest me. I did get, this is the double wear, let's see, it's an eyeliner, and it's, I believe, let me see what it says about it. Infinite waterproof eyeliner. So I just want to try it. I like the waterproof eyeliners because my eyes get real, I get wet. My eyes get wet and tears and stuff. So anyway, there's what it looks like. It has a, really fine tip. I like that. So look at that. It's just I did it lightly, but because I wanted to show how fine the tip was. But anyway, we'll see. I'll give it a couple of seconds and I'll see if I can smudge it. So there's that. I'm happy with that. This is an eyebrow pencil, and it looks like it's got lots of compartments. So let's see what we got here. So here it is. Here's the eye pencil right here. And it's just a really fine tip. So there's that. And then next we've got, we've got a smudger. So, I don't know. I've never seen a smudger with eyebrows. Maybe that's the last thing you do. I don't know. And then we've got the gel right here. So I would probably do, I don't know if you do the gel, the smudge, and then the color, or the color gel smudge. Anyway, doesn't matter, the way you do it. But anyway, so there's that. So that's kind of nice. This was on sale. I did read some poor reviews on it about it, the tip breaking, but I think you just got to be careful. You got to be aware it's a fine tip. If you pull it out too much, if you put it out too much, it's going to do that. So you got to keep it low and then stroke. But anyway, so those three items were my purchase. And then the free gift I got is in here. And it came with 5 free items, all items I love and use. I will tell you guys, I can't afford their skincare. It's really, really pricey. A full bottle of this is over $100, and it's just, especially when I get so many things, it's just not affordable. But so I love when I can get these in these bags. So like I said, I end up getting these a couple times a year too, and these last forever. So I use this as my nighttime skincare routine. So we have the advanced night repair serum. So I put that, I love that. I put that on. And then we've got the eye gel, and it's really a gel. It's very gel-like, but it's an eye cream. So I put that on. And then this is the nighttime moisturizer, Supreme. Let's see. Oh, what this is called exactly. The Revitalizing Supreme. So I use this to moisturize or whatever, cream. And then the other two things we got, I could either choose the lipstick and a lip balm or the mascara and the eyeliner. And I really like their pencil eyeliners, these. So I did get, I chose this, and I like their mascara too. So these are good things for travel too, because they're smaller. But anyway, these are great. Their mascara is wonderful. Right there. It's just these things. I don't know. I have a hard time going to a department or a specialty brand and paying the high prices that you pay for their makeup. And it's, you know, if that's all I was buying, I might do it. But because I get so many boxes and subscriptions and stuff, I really like to try new things. But these are great. So this is great to get a couple times a year. So anyway, that, my foundation. So there's my, this is why I call myself right here an Estee Lauder girl. Cute bag with a cute little, it's got a cute little flower pole. And I love the blue. They usually do a blue this time of year, some kind of a blue. Anyway, so I love it. That's it. I just thought I would review this for you so that if you're interested in picking it up, I think you get the 5 free products with a was it a $50 purchase or $55? Anyway, I think it's $50 purchase, which is what the foundation is. So with the foundation, you can get the bag and the 5 free items. So, and I actually picked up a couple more items thinking I was getting an extra cream that they had advertised, but I didn't seem to get that. So anyway, that's it. That's my Estee Lauder semi-annual gift with purchase. And so let me know what you think. Do you guys like Estee Lauder? Have you used it? Have you tried it? It might be worth it if you want to try their foundation. I will swear on their foundation. They have, I like the one I like, but there's also the one in the bottle that's great too. So anyway, and I think they have a lot of shades, so it's pretty easy to match. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I do have a link to these if you want to. I have a link below in my description. If you want to pick up these, you can go use that link. And I do get a little, for sharing and for someone purchasing, I do get a little bit of a, I mean, anyone can get it. Anyone can get a little bonus. I think they give $15. So, and if you share it, you know, or someone else buys it under you, then they can get $15, or you can get $15. And I think you save too by going on that link. I should know right now, but I don't, what you get. So I'll probably put that when I edit this video. Anyway, so thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.